my gosh. OMG. Look at the leaves. Ah. And this tiny car is full of leaves. Wow, you're decorated with leaves, Dad. You're decorated with leaves. Oh. Well, everywhere you see, guys, are leaves. Now there's a lot of falling leaves here. Oh, this come off.
Maybe it would be good to put one.
Oh yeah, it will be good. Well, look at that. I have something to do tonight, but I have to wait for all the leaves coming off. Yeah. Well, all the leaves there will come off. Oh, look at that. Cars full of leaves. There you go. Yes, there on the other side. There you go. Oh, it's all done. Wow! Nagiging engkantada ang kulay ng aking palm tree, guys. Look! Napakaganda, ano? Yan ang resulta after sa freezing temperature. Sayang, may mga babies pa naman siya. Sana kinuha ko. So, ito guys, ang maganda kong palm tree sa front ng bahay ko. And ito naman ang mga side plants ko. Ayan, mamamatay talaga yan sila. Or, makasurvive sila pero mag-shed yung mga leaves nila. So, walang problema, babalik naman ang mga leaves. You guys look. I'm wearing shorts. But I have my stocking. My stocking is for winter. So I'm good with that.
We'll see. Maybe it won't be alive.
So that's a palm tree that's expensive.
See those are there?
Are they gonna?
They
Oh
aren't
my
gonna like it.
goodness! Look at that! Wow, that palm tree died because of the snow. Oh, that's the expensive one. That one is.
Yeah, it's like a date. Oh,
Oh.
something like that. Wow.
Yeah, a lot of palm trees. Look at that palm tree there. The short one beside the house and this one big. I think this tree was busted in that snow. Look at that. Yeah, it is. But this kind of pine trees are okay. Wow. What tree is that? It's dead. Oh, this must be the guava tree. Oh, what tree is that? Oh, look at that. Oh, oh, that's a guava tree. Well, of course, that's from the Philippines or any Asian countries. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. That was happened, guys. Oh, this is the orange. This is the one, the orange. Oh my gosh.
What if you're have a big orange farm in Texas or grapefruit?
Oh no.
You're done.
Grapefruit and orange? Oh, wow. This one is... Ito ang resulta sa aming kapaligiran after 1 week na meron kaming freezing temperature. Maraming mga tanim ang namamatay. Ayan, kawawa itong mga palm tree dahil namamatay talaga sila. Sayang siguro yan ay mga 20 years old na mga palm trees. Itong bahay na ito, meron siyang 9 or 10. Talagang I counted here her palm trees. Talagang marami siyang palm trees. And then ito ang kapitbahay niya. Oh, nag-shed ang kanyang trees. Ayan, pareho din sa amin. Sa front ng bahay namin, nag-shed din ang trees. Sayang, 4 na araw lang, napakadaming damage na. Sa Texas, mild lang ang aming winter dito. If may snow man kami, siguro once in every 10 years. And then ngayon, meron kaming freezing temperature. It happens 122 years ago na meron ang Texas na freezing temperature. And then, ngayon na naman guys. Grabe super lamig talaga. Ang ginagawa ko ay boiled water. Meron akong 3 pots na naka-boil to warm our house. O hindi naman sa dahil malaking bahay ito. Sa kitchen side lang siya. Dahil malamig talaga na malamig. So, nagpapasalamat pa rin ako. We survived the storm. And then, kawawa naman yung mga matatanda. Siguro may namatay daw. May mga nangamatay daw mga tatanda. And then, yung mga homeless. O, diba? Nagpapasalamat pa rin ako dahil wala kaming pumuputok na pipes. Oh my gosh. Paano na lang kaya pag pumuputok pa ang pipes? O, diba? Safety tayo guys. We're protected by our heavenly angels. So, nagpapasalamat ako guys na meron talagang Panginoon na nagprotekta sa amin. Well, thank you sa lahat ng nanonood sa aking video. So, ito ang nangyari during the storm, February 15, 2021 hanggang February 20. Ayan siya guys. 5 days talagang very, very cold sa aming lugar. Well, thank you. And huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Okay? Bye-bye! So, hi everybody! Andito na naman si Jennifer. So, ngayong gabi, i-share ko sa inyo ang isang song, Dancing Queen. Bakit Dancing Queen, guys? Sumasayaw na ako sa tuwa dahil meron na tayong power. Look at that, guys. Kahapon, may brown out tayo ng mga 10 hours and then ngayon, bumalik na. Sana hindi na guys dahil tama na yung 58 hours na wala kaming kuryente and then freezing temperature pa. Bumalik ng ating kuryente. Look at that. Gabi na guys, meron pa tayong kuryente. Kagabi, hanggang alas 6 ng gabi, nawala ang ating kuryente. And then, ng umaga, alas 6 ng umaga, bumalik ang ating kuryente. And then, ngayon, alas 10 na siguro ng gabi, andito pa rin ang ating kuryente. Either mawala ito bigla or continue ito hanggang umaga. Hopefully, hindi na siya mawala guys. Dahil sobra naman, o diba? 58 hours na nawala kami kuryente. Pero meron tayong tubig. Ang maganda sa walang kuryente ay wala ding internet. So, of course, naglalaro kami ng mga playing cards, naglaro kami ng mahjong, naglaro kami ng Scrabble. So, kung ano-ano na lang guys, we have time na kami talagang pamilya. Kumakain kami na on time dahil walang kuryente, walang internet, and walang klase. Basa ang blackboard, guys. Basa ang blackboard. Anyway, virtual sila. So, hindi talaga pwede dahil walang internet. Walang ginagawa sa isang linggong walang kuryente, guys. Tulog, kain, tulog lang. Tulog, kain, tulog lang.